Hello garden lovers, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host and today we're exploring the amazing benefits of the aloe vera flower. We'll talk about why this beautiful bloom is more than just a pretty sight, how it can boost your health, and how you can grow it in your own garden. Aloe vera is famous for its thick, fleshy leaves that provide soothing gel, but the plant also produces a tall flower stalk that bears dozens of tubular yellow flowers. These flowers appear in late spring or early summer, and they attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies. The blossoms are not only decorative, they are packed with bioactive compounds that offer a range of health benefits. The aloe vera flower contains flavonoids, alkaloids, glycosides, and antioxidants. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress. The petals are also a source of vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. The combination of these nutrients makes the flower a valuable addition to natural remedies. Skincare benefits. When the flower is harvested and processed into a gentle extract, it can be applied to the skin to promote healing. The anti-inflammatory properties reduce redness and swelling, making it ideal for soothing minor burns, cuts, and insect bites. The antioxidants help combat free radicals, which can slow down the aging process. Regular use can improve skin elasticity and leave the complexion looking fresh and radiant. The aloe vera flower has mild laxative effects that can aid digestion. A small amount of fresh flowered tea can help relieve constipation and support regular bowel movements. The natural enzymes in the blossom assist in breaking down food and enhancing nutrient absorption. It is important to use the flower in moderation, as excessive consumption may cause stomach upset. Immune-boosting properties. Thanks to its rich flavonoid content, the flower helps strengthen the immune system. Flavonoids stimulate the activity of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. A cup of aloe vera flower tea a few times a week can give your body an extra defensive edge during cold and flu season. Hair care. Uses the flower extract can be infused into a light oil or conditioner to nourish the scalp. Its moisturizing qualities help reduce dandruff and soothe irritation, while the vitamins promote healthy hair growth. Massaging the infused oil into the scalp improves blood circulation, which encourages stronger strands. Growing the aloe vera flower. To enjoy these benefits, you need a healthy plant that will flower. Choose a mature aloe vera that is at least 3 years old and place it in a sunny location with well-draining soil water, sparingly allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. During the growing season, feed the plant with a balanced cactus fertilizer once a month as the flower stalk emerges. Support it with a stake to prevent bending. Once the flowers open, you can harvest them in the morning when the sugars are highest for maximum potency. Harvesting and preparing the flowers. Cut the flower stalk with a clean, sharp knife and rinse the blossoms gently to remove any dust. Separate the petals and discard the tough base. The petals can be used fresh to make tea, or they can be dried in a shaded area for later use to make a tea. Simply steep a handful of fresh or dried petals in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, strain and enjoy. You can also blend the petals with a carrier oil to create a skin-soothing infusion. Precautions. While the aloe vera flower is generally safe for most people, some individuals may experience allergic reactions. Always perform a patch test before applying any new product to the skin. Pregnant women and young children should consult a healthcare professional before ingesting flower preparations. Avoid using the flower if the plant shows signs of disease or has been treated with pesticides. That's a wrap on the amazing benefits of the aloe vera flower. From soothing skin to supporting digestion and boosting immunity, this humble bloom has a lot to offer. Add it to your garden and your daily routine and enjoy the natural goodness it provides. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own aloe flower experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.